Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the beginning of prophethood. So let's begin our first topic. Long ago there was only Allah. There was no one with him and no one before him. There was no sun that set, no water so wet. There were no birds that fly, no sky so high. There were no rivers that flow, no winds that blow. So where did it all come from? Allah said, "Be." Just like that, He made all that we see. Allah said, "Be." Just like that, He made all that we can't see. He made the angels, they are kind and pure. He made the jinns, Allah has made much more. Allah made the shape of a man. He made it out of clay. Allah said, "Be." Just like that, the man came to life. Allah named his Adam. He was the first man. May Allah bless Adam alayhi salam. Allah made a wife for Adam. Her name was Hawa. May Allah bless Hawa alayhi salam. Adam and Hawa had one aim in life. It was to do what Allah likes. Allah also made Jannah. It is a place good and pure. Jannah has all that you want and much, much more. In Jannah there was a tree. Allah told Adam not to go there. It was just one tree. There were so many other trees. Along came Shaitan. He was a bad jinn. He wanted Adam to sin. He said he was better than him. So Shaitan told Adam a lie. The first lie. Shaitan told Adam a lie, saying if he ate from the tree he would never die, but it was a lie. Adam went near the tree, he saw the fruits, Adam ate, it was a mistake. Adam felt very sorry, so he began to pray. Allah forgave him, but he also sent Adam away. Adam had to leave Jannah. Allah sent him to earth. Earth was a place far away. It was where Adam had to stay. Adam and Hawa lived on earth. They had lots of children. We are all one of them. But Shaitan was still around. He had a bad plan. He wanted people to leave Islam. Allah had a plan too. He sent lots of prophets. What they said is true. Pray to Allah alone. Do what Allah likes. That is our aim in life. Allah made Adam a prophet. He was first prophet of Islam. May Allah bless Adam alayhi salam. Some time went by. Adam passed away. Allah sent lots of prophets after him. They all took the same way. The end. Subscribe and like if you want more videos for your children. Thank you.